What's the meaning of bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye is a commonly used phrase that means a farewell or goodbye. It is often used in informal settings to bid someone farewell, indicating the end of a conversation or exchange. The term is derived from the repetition of the word bye, which is believed to have originated from the word goodbye. In contemporary times, bye-bye has become more casual and is often used when saying goodbye to children or friends, or when parting ways with someone on a lighthearted note. Overall, bye-bye is a simple yet effective way to express one's departure in a friendly and informal manner.